Hey guys, what's up and welcome back to The Success. Debt is often perceived negatively. Debt can be evil, crippling, and an unforgiving master. It can suggest a lack of sufficient cash flow and an inability to fulfill your funding requirements. It is also an indication of increased risk, as if you are unable to service your debt repayments. It could have dire consequences for your business. There is, however, another side to debt. The majority of larger corporations have some level of debt. It can be a great way for individuals to earn a return on their investment. And of course, it is an integral part of the engine that drives the world economy. For small business owners, debt can actually provide some great benefits as long as it is managed responsibly. Confused? Don't be, because today we have for you 9 reasons why debt is good for business. But before we start, I'd want you to hit that red subscribe button to enter our monthly shout out giveaway. Just comment down below saying I subscribed and we'll enter you into the giveaway. Number 1, you want to expand. Your business might eventually get to a point where you need more money to continue growing. You might need more inventory or new products to sell. You might need new equipment to provide more services and attract bigger clients. Or perhaps you need a larger retail space to fit more customers or host events. Without money, you can't buy things that will make you more money. When you don't have enough in your business savings account, a loan can give you a financial boost. If all goes well, your investment will make enough to pay off the loan and start earning your business more than before. Number 2, you want to build your credit score. To get a loan, you need good credit, and to get good credit, you need experience taking out and paying off loans. This cycle can be frustrating for some small business owners. You can improve your small business credit score by taking out small loans. You can show your lender that you are capable of handling a loan and its repayments. By building your credit score with smaller loans, you make it easier for your business to get approved for bigger loans later. Taking on smaller amounts of debt now also helps you build a relationship with your lender. A good relationship with a lender might help you get approved for larger loans, and you might receive other benefits such as reduced interest rates. Number 3, you want to hire an employee. If you're spending as much time as you can on your business and more still needs to be done, you might benefit from hiring an employee. But hiring an employee can be an expensive investment, especially if you don't have much extra cash. You can take on business debt to hire an employee. The debt might be worth it if the employee helps you earn more money. For example, you hire a salesperson. The salesperson generates more income for your business, which pays off the loan and increases your profit. Or you can hire an employee to free up your time for profit-generating tasks. Let's say you hire an assistant who takes over many basic yet time-consuming tasks. You now have more time for improving and marketing your business. Number 4, debt is cheaper than equity. You can grow a business in a number of different ways. You could fund the growth using cash already in the business, raise the money you need from investors, or borrowing money from a bank to inject new capital into the business. Growing a business using cash already in the business can be a slow process. It is also not without its risks, as dipping into this money can leave you short when unexpected payments need to be made. Equity is an expensive method of financing growth. Not only will you dilute your control of the business, but the investors will also expect healthy returns. Injecting money into a business is a risky prospect for an investor, so they'll typically expect to see a return of at least 10% to compensate for the risks. Debt can usually be sourced at a much lower rate. Debt lets you grow your business without having to dilute the control or ownership of your business or tap into that all-important cash flow. As banks do not require any equity when providing a loan, you and your shareholders will experience the full benefits of business growth. Number 5, government-sponsored debt programs. Both Canada and the United States have numerous government loan programs for small businesses. This allows small business owners to borrow money at competitive interest rates. If the business is unsuccessful, often the debt is forgiven or substantially reduced. Number 6, mitigate your risk. It is rarely a good idea to put all of your proverbial eggs in one basket. Borrowing money can help you mitigate your own risk and reduce your asset exposure in the event that your business venture does not succeed. And although bankruptcy is rarely a good thing, it is sometimes inevitable. Number 7, suggests confidence in your business. If someone is willing to lend your business money, other than perhaps your adoring family members, it suggests that they believe that your business has potential. Applying for debt can be a fairly rigorous process that requires business plans, projections, and an in-depth understanding that is an extension of your knowledge and abilities. Number 8, helps you build credibility and maintain discipline. In the same way that credit cards help you build a credit profile, Debt helps you build relationships with financial institutions and other debt holders. Others are more likely to lend to your business when they see that it isn't your first time. If you continue to make your payments on schedule, it is much easier to expand your credit facilities. Finally, since most debt agreements have reporting and financial covenants, it helps you stay disciplined. Number 9. Interest is tax deductible. The cost of debt is actually less on an after-tax basis than the interest rate suggests. If your interest rate is 5% and your business tax rate is 20%, then the cost of your debt is actually only 4%. In the end, it goes without saying that there should be careful evaluation of your business's circumstances prior to taking on debt. There are many businesses that have low capital requirements and do not require much in the way of additional funding. And of course, debt should not be used to replace fiscal discipline. Caveats aside, debt can be an excellent way to grow your business and improve your return on investment. So guys, this brings us to the end of our video. I hope you enjoyed it. Hit like if you did, and please don't forget to subscribe to our channel so that you don't miss any of our content in the future. Also, if you could please check out one of the 2 videos you're seeing on screen right now, it really does help us out. With that being said, I'll see you in our next video.